How to add PDF to Google Sheet cell. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to upload your PDF and attach it directly to a cell. Let's get it done. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. On the left side, click New. From the menu, select File Upload. Now find the PDF on your computer and click Open. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the PDF inside your Google Drive. Now right-click the PDF you just uploaded. From the menu, click Share. Under General Access, you can keep it restricted if only you should access the file. If other people need to open it, click Restricted and choose anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link. Next, open your Google Sheet. Click the cell where you want the PDF to appear. Now right-click the cell. From the menu, select Insert Link. Paste the Google Drive link you copied into the link box. Then click Apply. That's it. Your PDF is now linked directly from that Google Sheet cell. Click the link anytime you want to open the PDF. If this saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.